So hello guys, I welcome you in this power vocabulary session. I'm Subhash Karthik, digital communication coach. Today I'm going to tell you how you can speak English like a native speaker. Native speaker, those who are from a country where English is spoken. If you go to any English country and if you see people are speaking in English, if you also want to speak like them, then today's class is very much important. Today, you are going to learn very important thing. And what exactly is that? It is called fluent English conversation with binomials. Binomials. Binomials pairs. We say binomials pair also. Binomial pairs also. So we are going to learn 15 binomial pairs, which will help you to speak English more fluently, because these binomials help people to speak English more fluently. These binomials help people to speak English better and proper. These binomials help people to speak English like native speaker, the way, the people of English country, they speak. Above that, these binomials, you know, are very clear, short, and well understood. These are very clear. When you see the binomial, you will understand what is that, because these are very short and well understood. So guys, today we are going to learn binomials. Binomials. Okay. So binomials. Let's see the first binomial. First and foremost, this is the binomial. Okay, so these are called binomials. First and foremost. The meaning of first and foremost is the most important thing. The most important thing. So binomial first is first and foremost, and the meaning is the most important thing. Many times whenever we speak, we use, the first foremost is my family, like that we speak. So I'm giving you a sentence. You see how we use this binomial. Our first and foremost priority is recovering abducted children as soon as possible. I believe you are understanding the sentence. Our first and foremost priority is recovering abducted children as soon as possible. So first and foremost, this is the binomial, and the meaning of the binomial is the most important thing. So I believe you have all written. Now we will go to the next binomial. Okay, our next binomial is time and again. Time and again. Time and again मतलब होता है so many times. So many times, बहुत बार. In Hindi we call it बहुत बार. कोई चीज जो बार बार होता है. You can see the sentence. Time and again they have violated the rules, yet you have taken no action against them. उन्होंने बार बार रूल्स को वायलेट किया, रूल्स को तोड़ा, फिर भी आपने कोई एक्शन उनके लिए नहीं लिया. Time and again they have violated the rules, yet you have taken no action against them. So this is called time and again. The meaning is something that happens every time. time and again. You know, time and again, this coronavirus issues have again coming, you know, time and again, which is coming again and again. Time and again, they have violated the rules, yet you have taken no action against it. Now, guys, we'll go for the next binomial. So these are called binomials, okay? Let's go for the number 3. Loud and clear. Loud and clear. The meaning is very clear and easy to understand. Very clear and easy to understand. I believe that my message was received loud and clear. मैं ये भरोसा रखता हूं कि आप लोग मेरी बातों को लाउड एंड क्लियर सुन रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं. I believe that my message is loud received. My message was received loud and clear. Loud and clear, very clear and easy to understand. Guys, in our normal daily life, when you speak in English, these kind of binomials are very, very effective. So whenever you speak next time, you ensure that you use a lot of binomials. And we use it also so many times, you know, maybe we used it, we never knew that these are binomials, but we use it lot many times. Okay, next, number 4, part and parcel. Part and parcel. Matlab an essential part. Internet has become a part and parcel of our life. Internet has become part and parcel of our life. Internet has become part and parcel of our life. So right now we are doing binomials. Binomials. So guys, हम लोग आज कर रहे हैं binomials. आज हम लोग 15 binomials को आज करेंगे because this helps us to speak English more fluently. The first one was first and foremost. The second was time and again. The third was loud and clear. The fourth is part and parcel. It means essential, which is very essential. You know, we can say that in this corona condition, wearing a mask and, you know, always sanitize our hand is part and parcel of life. Number 5, sooner or later. Sooner or later. Sooner or later मतलब it will happen sometime in future. जो future में होने वाला है. It will happen sometime in future. Future में होने वाला है. You are going to have to face it sooner or later. आपको फ्यूचर में इसे फेस करना ही पड़ेगा. You're going to have it, face it sooner or later. You have to face it sooner or later. It means it will happen sometime in future. Guys, those who have joined late, we are doing binomials. Binomials, which we always speak while we, you know, speak in any conversation. Whenever we talk, we use these kind of binomials, sooner or later. So you please write it down. आपने क्या मिस किया है वो बाद में सोचिए, आप अभी जहां से हैं वहीं से लिखना स्टार्ट कीजिए. Now number 6, little by little. little by little. Little by little means gradually, धीरे धीरे से, धीरे धीरे से. In the beginning he had felt well, but little by little he was becoming weaker. धीरे धीरे वो अच्छा फील कर रहा था, but पहले वो अच्छा फील कर रहा था, फिर धीरे धीरे उसकी कंडीशन और ज्यादा वीक हो गई. In the beginning he had felt well, but little by little he was becoming weaker. So little by little means gradually. Gradually. You know, pehle initially the number of corona and COVID cases were less, but little by little it started increasing. Step by step, step by step. The meaning is to progress gradually. Step by step progress करना. ये हम लोग नॉर्मली वी यूज इट सो मेनी टाइम. हम लोग अपने नॉर्मल भाषा में भी इन सबों का यूज करते हैं. हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे बढ़ेंगे. यू नो वी से सो मेनी टाइम्स. So step by step is a binomial. Your dream of changing your life could turn into a step by step action plan. Your dream of changing your life could turn into a step by step action plan. आपका लाइफ चेंज करने के लिए आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक्शन प्लान को अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So step by step to progress gradually. Okay, guys, let's go for the next one. Number 8. Good and proper. Good and proper मतलब बहुत अच्छा, very well. Good and proper. Don't cancel your meeting with him at the last minute. That's not good and proper behavior. Don't cancel your meeting with him at the last minute. That's not good and proper behavior. You know, अपने मीटिंग को लास्ट मिनट में कैंसिल मत करो, because that's not good and proper. Good and proper. So guys, these are called binomials. And if you really want to be good in English, you have to use these binomials. The nitty gritty, the meaning is the most important details. The most important details. Before I get into a business, I want to know the nitty gritty of the sector so that I can manage my business well. इस नए बिजनेस में उतरने से पहले मुझे इस बिजनेस के बारे में निटी ग्रिटी जानना पड़ेगा, मेरे को इस सेक्टर के बारे में, so that I can manage my business much better way. This is so important. So this is called nitty gritty. Nitty gritty means the most important details. Okay. So nitty gritty is very important. Let's go for the next sentence. Next binomial. Number 10. Give or take. Give or take matlab approximately, possibly a small difference to the mentioned amount. जब अमाउंट, आप कोई अमाउंट बोलते हो या कोई नंबर बोलते हो, गिव एंड टेक मतलब आगे पीछे, थोड़ा आगे पीछे. कभी कभी लोग बोलते हैं ना कि आप वो आगे पीछे करके उसका जो उसका जो हाइट है अप्रोक्स 5 फीट है, थोड़ा कपल ऑफ इंचेस इधर उधर हो सकता है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड गिव और टेक. He grew to a height of 5 feet. गिव और टेक कपल ऑफ इंचीज, कपल ऑफ इंची इधर उधर होगा, गिव और टेक, गिव और टेक मतलब अप्रोक्सीमेटली, पॉसिबली अ स्मॉल डिफरेंस, बहुत स्मॉल डिफरेंस इधर उधर जब होता है तो हम उससे बोलते हैं गिव और टेक, इट विल बी यू नो अप्रोक्स 5 feet, give or take, approximately or possibly a small difference to the mentioned amount. He grew to a height of 5 feet. Next, short and sweet, short and sweet, brief, relevant and pleasing. Short and sweet means something which is brief, very small, relevant and pleasing. People they like it. लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, छोटी चीज हो और अच्छी चीज हो. तो यहाँ पे आप एग्जांपल देख सकते हो. I like the story because it's short and sweet. I like the story because it is short and sweet. Short and sweet. So we are going for 15 binomials. Okay, guys, let's go for the next one. Hustle and bustle is a wonderful binomial, guys. Many times we use it. Hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle means busy, active and noisy. Busy, active and noisy. कहीं पे कुछ बहुत busy है, active है और बहुत noisy है, उसको हम लोग hustle and bustle बोलते हैं. They are adapting to the hustle and bustle of Mumbai city. They are adapting to the hustle and bustle of Mumbai city. Hope you are understanding this. They are adapting to the hustle and bustle of Mumbai city. Hustle and bustle. Hustle and bustle, busy, active and noisy. They are adapting to the hustle and bustle of Mumbai city. Okay, guys, let's go for the next one. Now or never. Do it immediately. The chance may not come again. Now or never, guys. To me, it was quite clear to do it now or never. मेरे लिए बहुत क्लियर है, क्लियर था कि मैं उसे अभी करूं या ना करूं. अगर मुझे करना है तो मुझे अभी करना है या तो मैं नहीं करूंगा. It's now or never. It's now or never. It's now or never. To me, it was quite clear to do it now or never. Let's go for number 14. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. It means it is a non-negotiable offer. ले लो और छोड़ दो. लो और छोड़ दो, मत लो. Non-negotiable, भाई इससे कम हम नहीं करेंगे. I will give you rupees 10,000 for the camera, but that's my final offer. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. So take it or leave it. It means it's a non-negotiable offer. Non-negotiable offer. I will give you rupees 10,000 for the camera, but it's my final offer. Take it or leave it. Okay, the last one, the last binomial of the day. The last binomial. is one of my favorite. That is called rise and shine. Rise and shine. Wonderful binomial, guys. इसका मतलब होता है it's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. ये समय है जागने का. My husband always makes me up, wakes me up, sorry. My husband always wakes me up saying, rise and shine. Rise and shine. It's a wonderful binomial. If you use it, no, it will help your vocabulary to be more of quality, and people will understand. It will make your talk much better. So rise and shine. It's time to wake up. My husband always wakes me up saying, rise and shine. So guys, I believe you all have understood it. So if you have any question, then you can go ahead.